Good morning, everybody. It's about 6 a.m. Friday morning. Overcast skies, about 69 degrees. I'm just taking a little break. I'm 100 miles south of Lake Superior, and we're just gonna keep on rolling. I'll check back with you when I get up there. Hopefully we won't run any rain because it is overcast. We'll see. Yeah, looks like the rain did catch up with us. I'm getting ready to cross this big bridge over to Duluth, Minnesota. And we'll keep on heading north, see if we can find some cool spots to check out. Welcome to Duluth, Minnesota. Yeah, it's downpouring, that's for sure. Wasn't expecting this. Okay, enough playing around at the lake. Let's get rolling. We gotta find a place to camp. We're going in deep, guys. Deep into the Superior National Forest. If you want, you can hop in and put your seatbelt on. I'll take you with me. How's that sound? Remind me to forget to tell you we had a good time. Let's enjoy this. Okay, check this out. I found my new camp spot. I went to 3 different campgrounds, and because it's being Friday and summertime, they were all full. But this is a really, really cool spot. I think I'm gonna go for a little bike ride and explore the area. Let's go. You just never know what you're going to stumble across in the woods. But I think this is really, really cool. Look at that. Abandoned cabin. When you're walking through the woods, make sure you watch out for these guys. See that spider right there? He'll get you. And he's right at eye level. Let's check out this old cabin. Right on the lake. Old trapper's cabin. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section. It's weird that it's got that opening right there. Not sure I've seen anything like it. What do you guys think it is? Who built it? How long's it been here? I think it's been here quite a while. 100 years maybe? 1920s? Old Boy Scout camp? Something like that. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's go see what else we can find. Okay guys, I just made a quick little ramen bomb with some celery, onions, and avocado. And I'm gonna wrap this video up and sit here and enjoy this peaceful setting. I didn't get a chance to do those videos on the bike ride, but I promise I'll get them back to you tomorrow, or get them out there for you till tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a good night. We'll see you next time.